Swans in Prospect Park, Brooklyn, New York, on a winter day. As you can see the beautiful.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
It's not deepest stories there. You see the birds in the back, and the white birds are just coming in. Yes, after. It's still pretty early in the evening here in Brooklyn, Prospect Park. It's just an amazing sight. This is the calm after the storm, the blizzard of 2022. As you can see, once again, here are the Swans in Prospect Park, Brooklyn, New York, on a winter day. As you can see the beautiful swans and the ducks, different varieties of ducks. It's an awesome sight, guys. It's gonna bring you closer. Wow, isn't that amazing, guys? Look at that. It's amazing footage brought to you by your boy Curtis. Thank you for being here. Thank you for coming to my channel. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, please press the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is Central Park, in Central Prospect Park, New York, in the borough of Brooklyn. Pretty new life. It's a beautiful sight of the swans and the ducks on this winter day, the first nor'easter of 2022. Swans just sleeping.